here. This is Vishwanath here. Well, I'm following Shanky sir like from past 1 year, and I've made a very good loss in market. It's almost minus 4.5 lakhs, and then I started searching regarding how to trade in the market and everything. I've been to many these things, but and then later on I learned hedging, option selling. Like it should have a very good liquidity. Actually, market runs with liquidity. That's what I thought. I feel. So then it's okay. Then, but somehow I got connected with Shanky from past 1 year, and then what happened was like many people say that only option sellers are winners, but I feel like option buyers are also winners, definitely. Like I attended his seminars. I have personally had a chat with him as well. Then when you work with logics, like what he says, and it will be some AK-47 logic, it may be, or it may be something with the line indicators, or whatever you take from his menu, like line, AK-47, CPR logics, and everything. Barabar wo touch karegi, right? And by attending his seminar, like it will be a different field. It will be a next level. Like now I could able to take the consistency in me in taking the trade will be 30 points, pakka 30 points. I'm able to take it, actually, frankly speaking. 30 points is my this thing, and my view got changed, actually. See, I'm not saying that I'm not do option selling, but like why to take that much this thing? Then I can happily take option buying as well. So not only option sellers, option buyer also win. But the thing is, you should know the logic and the knowledge which he gave. And I always love to learn, and I always love to learn from Shankys trading team. Right? Thank you.